So these are the shoes. Uh, these are the shoes I'm gonna be working out in. This is the top. Oh my gosh. It's kind of yellow. Thought it would be more white than this. Let's see. Oh, that's light support. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it's this shawl thing and this sports bra, and they're supposed to go together. It's gonna look better if you see it on, but okay, let's try it on. I'm really nervous because this could be my audition top, but it could not be, but it could be. I'm gonna try it on and I'll come back. Okay, this is the top with my little arm sleeves. I get armholes, and it's just like a little shawl that goes over this sports bra. I've been looking for something like breathable but like cool. Yeah, it's a little bit more yellow than I was expecting, but I kind of like it on camera. I really like this actually. Like, I really like it. Like, I fuck with it. I don't know if I'd have to wear a bra underneath it or something like that, because this is not enough. Okay, the first way I styled them is with these sweatpants. What do we think? This isn't bad for a casual look, but like for the audition, I don't think so. Okay, and this is the second way I was thinking of styling them, with these orange biker shorts. I have a big announcement to make. So, your girl is moving to New York City for the summer. I'm so excited. I've been saving up for 6 months, and now I have to pack for that. Flight is tomorrow. It's all booked. Everything is ready. I've been procrastinating so bad on like starting to pack because my room is a complete mess. I somehow have to turn this bag of laundry, that chair full of stuff that I'm bringing to New York, if I move this bag of laundry and this bag of laundry, I have to somehow pack it all together and put it in that suitcase right there. This is not going to be an easy task. Let's get to it. Of course my sister freaking had my scissors, but anyway. I got this bag from Walmart. It's really cool because it has like compartments and stuff. So yeah, hopefully this is big enough for a month's worth of clothes. For some reason, I thought it'd be a great idea to put these dragonfly patches on here on different parts of my luggage, because everyone has black suitcases and I want to make sure my bag doesn't get lost. Okay, now that I've customized the front of my bag, now it's time to fill it up. First things first, we're gonna go with the purchases that I've made over the last month. Yep, so Air Force One's going in. Next thing, these are the other workout shoes I bought. I really meant to go to a dance class in these shoes before. I'm just like taking them to New York, but we didn't have time for that, so in the bag they go. I'm gonna bring some slides, super chill. I also want to bring these Converse. Chilling, and then I want to bring these heels just in case I want to be fancy. Do I actually want to? No, because I just I don't wear them often. I just don't see myself needing to wear them, you know? Or should I bring my white sandals? Because my white sandals go with a lot of stuff. They're like dressy-ish. They go with a lot. Maybe we'll do the white sandals. It's hard to imagine that, like, I'm not gonna have my full closet for a month. Like, whatever I bring, like, I'm gonna have with me for a month. I'm stressed. Anyway, when I went to Walmart, also bought some painkillers. Guarantee you I'm gonna need this at some point. Okay. Also, I bought this little caddy. I thought this would be cute for going to the shower, to hold my like toothbrush. Put it at the top. Next, I went to Gilly Hicks. They were having a sale. I was hoping to find like an audition top, but I wasn't able to find that. All of their clothes are just so like casual. Even the workout stuff is like not heavy duty enough for the girls. So yeah, I got these super chill sweatpants and they're blue. In the bag. I also bought from Sephora, I got a new eyebrow pencil. Got a new eyebrow pencil. What color did I get? Ebony? I don't know. Okay, it's been like 20 minutes. The big basket is empty. There are items in my suitcase. We're getting there slowly but surely. I think I'm going to have to do more laundry, which is really annoying because this is 3 baskets of laundry. How's 3 baskets of laundry still not all my laundry that I want to bring? I don't know, but somehow it's happening. So I'm about to leave for the airport. I got my room nice and clean, bed all made nicely because I want to make sure I return with a nice clean room, and got my bags, small roller carry-on. I got my big baby that I'm checking, and then I'm simply gonna carry my purse. Look at this fridge thing they have at the airport now. It's so cool. Farmer's fridge. Okay, they got the quinoa, they got the chia pudding. I will not be getting one of these because I want to ensure that I like it and I'll actually eat it. But, you know, very interesting, very interesting. I'm so happy. Let the vacation begin. I found my gate okay. I'm at the bar having a mimosa. My flight doesn't board for another like almost 40 minutes and I'm in the economy, so you know I'm aboard like last.